Hello everybody, Noel here from Scratch Genius. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make this really cool effect. I'm using this as an example with a clicker game, but you could really use it for anything else. I hope you enjoyed the video, and let's get into it. Okay, so here we are in Editor, and I'm going to make it so when you click the sprite, the effect happens. The effect happens when you create a clone of this sprite. So we can go, and when a sprite clicked, change the money by 1, and it creates a clone of itself. Then, when it starts as a clone, we're going to do a few things here. We're going to go to mouse pointer. It's going to switch the costume to any costume you want to use for this effect. And it's going to go to the front layer. And once you have that done, we're going to create 3 variables. They all have to be for the sprite only. Very important. The first one's going to be X movement. Oops. Sorry for that. Y acceleration. And rotation. Okay, once you have all of those, you can go and hide them because we don't need to see them. And then we can set the variable to a random number. The numbers I found work best were from -5 to 5. Now we can duplicate this 2 times. So we have 3. Set 1 to X movement, 1 to Y acceleration, and that 1 to rotation. Once you have that done, then you can go to control and make a repeat block. Make a repeat 50 times. Then we can go to looks, change ghost effect by 2. So what it does, it repeats 50 times, changing the ghost effect by 2. And if you do the math, very simple. Once it finishes repeating, it's going to be fully disappeared. Now in that loop, to make it move, we're going to make it change X by, change Y by, and turn. Now we're going to plug the variables in there. And there you go. Pretty much works. Now there is one thing where the would go floating off in space. And now to avoid that, we just need to make it acceleration, not just movement. So at the end, we're going to change Y acceleration by -0.3. If you make this a positive number, it's going to go like upwards gravity, anti-gravity. And if you leave it to a negative number, it's going to go down. So now if you try that out, some are going to jump up and fall down. And it's really fun. So it's pretty much finished. Except you might have noticed that these stay stuck at the bottom. Now if you want to avoid this, we can go to control. If touching edge, well then it goes and deletes this clone. This also helps with the clones not getting all stuck down here and lagging the game later on. Well, that's it for today's video. If you liked it, well then please hit like. Also, if you enjoy my channel, please consider subscribing. That way you don't miss any future videos and you help me out. Also, if you have any ideas for some future videos, please go ahead and post them in the comment section below. So, have fun, stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next video.